If email eats up too much of your day, here are 3 ChatGPT prompts that can help you reply faster and sound better without overthinking every message. Prompt number 1 is for rewriting a draft. Paste your rough email and say, "Take this email draft and rewrite it so it sounds clear, polite, and confident." Keep it short and professional. This is great when your message sounds messy, too blunt, or too long. Prompt number 2 is for long email chains. Say, "Summarize this email thread in 3 bullet points, then draft a reply that answers the main question and suggests a next step." This helps when you open a wall of text and need to move fast. Prompt number 3 is for follow-up emails. Say, "Write a professional follow-up email for this message." Make it friendly, direct, and easy to answer. This is perfect when somebody has not responded and you want to nudge them without sounding awkward. Quick tip: your results get better when you tell ChatGPT who the email is for, what outcome you want, and what tone you need. Even one extra sentence of context makes a big difference. If you want more practical AI tips for work and everyday life, subscribe to AI for Normal People.